Yes, you hearing me?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Tish. I'm telling you, this is Tish.
Tish from where?
It's a Kingston I come from.
How
Mister, me tell him say me pregnant, him block me number, Miss Ryan.
So where you know Ryan from?
Kingston me come from, Miss.
So how you meet up with Ryan?
Mr. Kingston me come from, I see him see me and him look me, Miss. Miss me a 19.
See you from which part?
Miss you den here, Mariana den here, because right now me no know what to do. Honestly, me no know what to do. You den here, Mariana den here him.
So where you know him from?
Kingston. Jesus Christ, man. Kingston, Miss. Jesus.
Come on from my phone, yeah, girl. So I mean, know where
You can't help me out, please, Miss. You can't put me up.
You can't cheat me. You can't cheat that girl here. So anybody who are calling her do this, you can't cheat this girl. My head too big for that.
Miss, what you talking about? Miss, what you talking about? Hello?
How comes your breed? Where you know Ryan from?
Miss, what you mean by how comes me breed?
How comes your breed? Which part your breed?
Miss, we do things and me end up pregnant. That's what I'm saying.
So which part you do things and where you know him from?
At my friend Ashley house. My friend Ashley house.
Which part your friend? Which part your friend live?
Mr. St. Andrew.
Girl, go and look at life.
Miss him see me at Temple Hall, me meet him.
You don't know what you're talking.
Come on from the girl tell her say a prank, you know. Girl, why you laughing? Girl, why you laughing? She laughing in the background. She laughing in the background, you know. Oh, she in the next room with her man. So she believe in a man. You're dead, you know, 10%. So she one of them will believe in a man.